Alright, today we're doing another Lexus lost key replacement. Basically, we're going to be doing the programming. They sent us a key. We're going to make sure the chip is correct in this. If the chip is correct, we're going to program it to the ECU. So they sent the ECU, which is that one. Make sure the paperwork's correct. Yep, 98 GS300. So basically, I'm going to pre-program the chip data from this key into this box. And that's about it. Customer receives this, it should be a plug and play at that point. I'll come back in a little bit. Alright, this puppy's done. This key is now programmed as key number 1. I know some of y'all call me and ask me, how do you know what's programmed as what? Get to this phone here. I can show you because I took a picture. When I first start, you'll see the key. It says key does not recognize the immobilizer. It tells me it's not recognized to the system. And now it's key number 1. So I confirmed this is key number 1 in the system. Right now, this is just plug and play. So that's about it. Also, the reason I started at the beginning to see if the key is in the system, because I want to make sure that if you send me a key, it's not already programmed. Because if it is already programmed, it means you got other issues that I can't solve because you already sent me a program key. But if the key is not in the system, then I go ahead and program it in. That's about it. Ain't much really to say about this. Key is now programmed to the unit. Plug this back in, plug and play. You need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what I'm going to need, how much it's going to cost, how long it's going to take. And that's about it. I'll go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you for watching.